Welcome to Sass of Sabrina. This week I am trying to replace a doorknob. So this is my original doorknob that is through my entire house. However, the other week the glass snapped off of the rest of the doorknob. And because the door handles are over 65 years old, there's no other way to get them off other than to smash them off. So I have this doorknob to replace, a previous doorknob to replace, and a couple other doorknobs to just exchange out to make them start to all match. And then as the other ones continue to break, I will continue to replace them. So I lucked out with this just fitting right in, and it's probably the wrong way, but I'm just gonna shove this in here. I do not need to chisel too much. I think maybe just a little bit. I'm not gonna do the paint touch-ups prior to putting the doorknob on. Yes, I should, but no, I'm not, because I have other paint touch-ups to do around the house, and I just wanna do it all in one big swoop. Only other thing that I do need to chisel out will be this piece. And the doorknobs from 1953 to now are a lot different. So I do need to drill, I will have to do that for 2 doors. And I'm hoping the other doorknob that I want to exchange out that has previously been updated will just be like butter. I'm gonna start here. This does need actually more chiseling than what I originally thought, but at least the actual outline and a good start is there. I forgot my hammer. So I have to admit, this has been like an ongoing project for the past 3 weeks. So what I tried to do and actually found was some glass doorknobs that were pretty similar to the ones that are pre-existing in the house. However, you can't actually buy this piece anywhere. I have no choice other than to switch everything out. I have that all chiseled out. I have it pretty much as flush as possible. Well, as flush as I'm gonna get it. It's actually not quite square any which way, so yeah. So next I'm going to chisel out the plate. There's the start of one there, so I'm just gonna mark around it. And of course the holes don't match up. How far back does that need to go? All the way. Okay, so from starting the doorknob project to now, there's been actually a time lapse of a couple weeks. A whole bunch of other stuff just got in the way. And I actually had to run out and get one of these kits. I did not have a drill bit for the door handle. And since I'm doing 3 or 4 doors with this, I figured this was a good investment. It was 40 bucks. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, so you just take your clamp and line it up where you need it to be. Apparently tighter than that. I feel like I'm lucking out because I have all of the holes and the template of the old one to guide me on where this needs to be. I hope I don't screw this up. I am lining these indicators up with the existing, so I hope that's correct. I'm just gonna take it off. You know what? I'm just gonna mark it because I feel like I need that. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so afraid to do this. Okay. I have no idea what's going on. Why is it moving? Holy camoly. I don't like this project. Why is it shaking? Okay, so I failed to hit record again, so I've got all of my inside bits of my hole out. I'm going to assemble everything together. And that's what the inside of my closet looks like. So I just need a chisel to remove a whole bunch of paint that is built up. Now for the door handle. Do those go on specific ways? Yes. Okay, well, I actually didn't want the screws on the outside, however, that's the way it's gonna go. Okay, woo! And the latch doesn't even, it doesn't even fit together. I love it. That's funny. That would need to be moved forward, and I don't care. It's a closet door and it looks like it's closed. I am not moving that forward for it to hang out and stick out. I love it. This is my new doorknob. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, watch on repeat, like, and share. Sass it up.